Hi, and welcome to Nini's house. Today I'm going to start working on these two cookbook journals for my grandchildren. One for my granddaughter, one for my grandson. These are both copyright 1983. I was able to find this book that has a lot of the pages missing for 50 cents at a thrift store, and it is exactly like the one I received at my bridal shower. So I'm going to be using some of the pages and illustrations from it in the books that I make for my grandchildren. Both of the books that I got for them are in excellent shape. I paid $6 for one and $10 for the other, but I wanted them each to have a book, and I plan on giving them the books when they move into their own homes. Hopefully, I will still be around to do that in person. I made this page off camera for my granddaughter's journal, and I'm going to make a similar one for my grandson's. I have chosen this little face and the yellow and green background. I'm going to use this pink paper for her dress and this orange one for her headscarf. I first learned to make these little women from a class by Jennifer Chamberlain Creative on Facebook, and I believe she has a YouTube channel also. I will try to link her below in the description box. So now I have the headscarf and the dress cut out, and I'm just going to start collaging the little lady together on the background by first gluing her head to the scarf and the scarf to the top of the dress. I have also cut two little boots from a book page, and I'm going to glue them to the bottom behind the dress. Now I have my little lady ready, but before I glue her to the page, I'm going to embellish it a little bit. First, I'm putting a piece of selvage along the bottom of the page, and then I'm going to glue my lady on. As you can see, I have a few little bits and pieces laying around on my mat, and I'm trying to decide what I want to put on her. So I've chosen two buttons for her dress and a little flower to put near the bottom. I'm adding some thread there and this little sign that says I'd rather be crafting, that came from the edge of some scrapbook paper. Next, I'm going to glue on this bread package tab, gluing it on the front and on the back. I trim the excess fabric from the bottom, saving this little piece with the cross on it for some other project. And then I decide that I will glue this little sunflower heart up above her head. And here she is, all completed. Thanks so much for watching.